Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add no-go zones on in the app on Philips HomeRun 2000. To do it, click on the app edit button, then make sure you are in the add zones, and then you can add a virtual wall, no-go zone and no mob zone. So the virtual wall will work like that. You can just create it, for example, here. So if you, for example, have a staircase, this robot has a sensor included, so it will not go down the staircase. But to prevent it even further, or just create a boundary that your robot won't cross for any reason, then you can create it just like that by adjusting these 2 points however you need, then click here to apply. You can also add the no-go zone, so your robot will not go into that certain zone. It cannot be too close to the charging station, so let's create it here so the robot will not go there. You can resize it. And you can also add a no mob zone, so this will be a zone where your robot will vacuum but will not map. Let's add a no mob zone and create it maybe somewhere here. And then apply. And you can see that the zones are added, so you can go back and they will be displayed on the map right here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.